Peace be with you. How are you doing? I hope this video finds you well and your family. Let us reflect upon the gospel for this Sunday about the weeds among the wheat. The Lord sowed good seeds, and how come there were evil, there were grass, weeds among the wheat? And the Lord answered it directly. It was the evil who caused them. Now we may ask, the Lord formed His disciples, the 12, and how come during the Lord's arrest, during His passion, there were Judas Iscariot and Peter who denied Him thrice? The answer is, it was the evil who sowed evil seeds to them. And how can we relate this? That evil seed is too much freedom. Because of too much freedom, because of too much tolerance, people end up evil themselves. That's why nowadays that's become a perennial problem. It's because of too much tolerance, too much freedom. And because of too much freedom, people tend to abuse it to the maximum. And freedom actually is not just doing what you want to do. Freedom actually is submission to the will of God. True freedom, I repeat, is not just doing what we want to do, or what we call now anarchy. But true freedom is submission to the will of God, submission to the law of God. And papacy exists in order to safeguard that kind of freedom. But it seems now that there were so many bishops, priests, religious, and the laity who do not want submission. They just want to do what they want to do. And for them, that is freedom. But that freedom is dangerous. And so, even if the Lord sowed good seeds, even if our church has so many pronouncements, so many guidelines, yet if the faithful themselves cannot cooperate, then there will be always lawlessness in the church. I repeat, freedom is not doing what you want to do. Freedom means submission to the will of God and submission to His lawful authority. And that is the Pope and the bishops in communion with Him. Amen. In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritui Sancti. Amen.